Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about subtraction of unlike fractions. ठीक है कि हम subtraction किस तरह कर सकते हैं unlike fractions की. We're gonna look at this example over here. So let's subtract 1 over 2 from 4 over 5. The following is the picture representation of both of the fractions. That is 4 over 5 and this is 1 over 2. Remember, when we are subtracting or we are adding unlike fraction, we should make sure to convert it into like fractions. ठीक है, हमने इसको किस में convert करना है? Like fractions में convert करना होता है. So we have two numbers over here, that is 1 over 2 and we have 4 over 5. अब इसको आप कैसे convert करेंगे? By finding out the equivalent fraction of both. ठीक है, so we have to make both of these denominators look the same. उसके लिए we have to find out the LCM. ठीक है, तो हम LCM find करते हैं, common least common multiple. 2 का पहले find करते हैं, that is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. इसी तरह 5 का अगर find करते हैं हम तो 5, 10 and 15, right? So we can see over here that 10 is the least common multiple in both of these. ठीक है, तो हम लिख देंगे जी कि इन दोनों का LCM क्या है? 10. That means we have to make both of the denominators of these fractions 10. Alright, now how will we do that? We are going to multiply and multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So let's erase some of the stuff from here to do that. Okay, so we know that the LCM was 10 and we have to make the denominator 10 of both of these fractions. So 1 over 2 and 4 over 5. तो हम क्या करेंगे कि 1 को हम मल्टीप्लाई किससे करेंगे, 2 को किससे? इसको 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और इसको भी 5 से. Alright, both denominator and numerator will be multiplied with the same number. So we're gonna write over here 5 over 10. Likewise, you're gonna do the same with the other fraction. और इसमें आप देखेंगे 5 के टेबल में 10 कहाँ आता है, तो you know that 5 2s are 10. तो हम यहाँ पे इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इसी तरह न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Alright, so the answer becomes 4 2s are 8 and 5 2s are 10. ठीक है, अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम ये जो न्यू फ्रैक्शंस हैं इनको लिखेंगे साथ, एंड दैट इज 5 over 10 and we have the bigger fraction, तो उसको हम पहले लिखेंगे 8 over 10. तो we are going to subtract that. Now you can see over here, ये आपके fractions की representation है. These are 10 total parts and 8 total parts are colored, and these are 10 total parts and 5 total parts are colored. So when we subtract both of these numbers, the answer is as follows: 8 minus 5 and it's 3 over 10. So you can see कि आपके total 10 parts but only 3 are colored. So this is what it's like to do the subtraction of unlike fraction, that you convert it into like fractions first and then you move on further. ठीक है, let's move on to the next slide and we're gonna practice these questions together. We have 5 over 6 minus 1 over 2. It's very easy one. 5 over 6 will remain the same, but we can change the denominator of this fraction. तो इसको हम किससे multiply करेंगे? 3 से, और ऊपर वाले fraction को भी 3 से. So it will be like 3 over 6. When we convert it, it becomes 3 over 6. Our answer is 5 minus 3 and over 6. The answer is 2 over 6. ठीक है, आंसर क्या है? 2 over 6. So we'll write it in the box. इसी तरह हम ये देखते हैं, इसमें 8 है. ठीक है, एंड वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू जो 4 है उसको हम 8 में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं डिनोमिनेटर को. तो यू कैन फाइंड आउट द रिलेशन कि किस तरह हो सकता है, एंड दैट इज बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग इट विद 2. 4 2 ज़ा 8. दैट मीन्स हम डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 5/8 माइनस 2 1 ज़ा 2 and 2 4 ज़ा 8. So 5 minus 2 over 8, and it's 3 over 8. So we're gonna write the answer over here. Okay, so we have different denominators over here, that is 5 and 2. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या फाइंड करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए हम दोनों का LCM फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. In the last previous slide we have already done it, and we know that 10 is the least common factor in both of these. So for that we are multiplying this number with 2 and the other fraction with 5. Alright, so we are just gonna quickly move it over here, and 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Likewise, we're gonna convert these fractions, that is 5 1s are 5 and 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 6 minus 1 over 10, sorry, 6 minus 5 over 10, and it's 1 over 10. So we're gonna write the fraction over here, 1 over 10. इसी तरह हम नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, 4 and 5 है हमारे पास. वी आर गोना फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ बोथ ऑफ दीज नंबर्स. 4 का टेबल देखेंगे, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 16 and then 20. इसी तरह 5 में अगर देखते हैं तो 5 10 15 and 20. So we have least common factor as 20. ठीक है, तो हमें दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर्स क्या करने हैं, 20 बनाने हैं. इसके लिए हमें दोनों को अलग से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करना 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 20 बनाने के लिए 5 ज़ा. ठीक है, इसको 5 से और इसको 4 से. ठीक है, we're gonna write the answers over here. 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. इसी तरह नेक्स्ट ये है, 2 4s are 8 and 5 4s are 20. So what is 15 minus 8? It's 7. 7, oh, okay. 7. 15 minus 8, and this is 7 over 20. Okay, so we're gonna write it over here, 7 over 20. So this is how you can do the subtraction by converting the unlike fractions into like fractions, and by simply multiplying one of the fraction or by changing both of these. See you guys in the next video.